The amount of time and effort that it takes to put on a show like this is absolutely incredible. Being that I've been here a number of years, I get here early, I watch things get set up and watch the cars filter in, see how things get organized and placed. It's just absolutely incredible. Another area for display cars, and this area is going to be the very popular barn find section. You can see we already have one car. Looks like a Nova. I don't have my glasses on, so my distance sight is not what it should be, but let's take a quick peek over here. Even the amount of time and effort that it takes to get these barn find vehicles here, they need to be sought out over the course of the calendar year. Invitations made, arrangements made to get them here, get them into the display. What do we got for an emblem? Right down there. And you kind of gotta wonder. I'll pick up information on this as time goes on, but more than likely, the reason why this is here is this may in fact be a true Yenko Nova by the vents on the fenders, or the grills, whatever you want to call them. It should be 1970. More than likely, there's a big block under the hood. Take a peek inside. Bench seat, 4-speed. I see a line lock button. Got a tack on the column. Typical Nova. You got primer all through the quarters. Those quarters are flared a little bit. Wouldn't have been surprised if there was some rust and rot in there at some point in this vehicle's life, just simply because that's the way they were. Although the rocker panels look pretty solid, and so does the general area behind the fenders. Typical traction bars and Krager SS. Wheels all the way around. This is pretty much the way the car was running around on the street back in the day.